ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nkanyisa Dlamini and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you fulfill an order and where to find your orders once a customer has placed an order on your website. So what you're going to do is that you have to go to WooCommerce and you're going to go to orders. So what you can see here, when you press the I button, see now you've seen here's all the order information, here's the customer's details here, here's the shipping details, this is free shipping, email and contact number, and the way of payment. Right, so what we're going to do now is take this information and then we will go to our supplier on AliExpress, put this information there, and they will ship the product directly to the customer where they're based. So what you would do is that you go to your product that you're selling. So for this instance, you're selling this smartwatch. You'd pretend like you're the one buying it. So you just click buy now. And what you do is that you would put the customer's address. So what you do, you'd enter the contact, you put in the customer's number, the customer's address, mention whether it's a house, complex, whatever, and then pull all the customer's information and you click confirm. Then after you've done that, what you'll do is that you'll put your payment details in there, and there's different payment options. So if you've got your PayPal account, you can pay through PayPal, wire transfer. So what I definitely suggest is put your card. And the reason why you want to also use AliExpress, let's say the customer doesn't get the order, you can definitely request a refund, and AliExpress will definitely give you a refund. They're very reliable and they're very good at what they do. So it's very safe. It is the safest way to do dropshipping. And don't be scared to add your card here. I've done multiple orders through AliExpress. And then once you've done that, you click confirm, the card that you want to use. Then all you have to do is click pay now, and then they'll charge your card, and then they will deliver the item straight to the address. And I'll just show you the back end of how it's going to look like once an order has been delivered to one of your customers. If you're on the AliExpress homepage, all you'd have to do is go to your account, and then you go to my orders, and this is where you see all your orders, and this is where you'll be able to see what orders have been finished, and if you've got any issue, literally you can just communicate. So once it's closed, they'll let you know it's closed, but yeah, that's essentially it. And that's how you fulfill a dropshipping order. Thank you.